Just a quick update. Our seedlings are germinating well. We started our next 1000 seedlings. Probably a bit more, or closer to 1600. Our growth is picking up nicely now. Plants are adding up some nice color. This is the yellow Swiss chard, the red Swiss chard, and the green Swiss chard. Our lettuces are heating up nice. Our strawberries are packing on some fruit. Our Italian parsley have started shooting their roots this week. And they'll be recovering very well from the transplant. Our marigolds, this is our add in between that we're going to plant in, but we're going to remove these, transplant them in between and use it as a natural pest deterrent. It's also a natural fungicide. We've got a few different sizes and stages of Swiss chard going with the different colors. But growth this week has been absolutely phenomenal. Some leftover radishes, some new Italian parsley, some lettuce mixes, overall things are looking beautiful.